Hegel's Philosophy of Nature, paragraph 251. Nature is implicitly a living whole. More closely considered, the movement through its series of stages consists of the idea positing itself as what it is implicitly, i.e., the idea passes into itself by proceeding out of its immediacy and externality, which is death. It does this primarily in order to take on living being, but also in order to transcend this determinateness, in which it is merely life, and to bring itself forth into the existence of spirit, which constitutes the truth and ultimate purpose of nature and the true actuality of the idea. Addition. It is as positing of that which it is implicitly that the development of the notion in accordance with its determination is to be grasped. This determination might be regarded as its goal or purpose. In the development, these determinations of its content come into existence or are manifested. Not, however, as independent self-sufficient being, but as posited moments of an ideal nature which remains within its unity. This positiveness can therefore be grasped as an expression, protrusion, exposition, or self-externalization, insofar as the subjectivity of the notion loses itself in the juxtaposition of its determinations. It preserves itself within them as their unity and ideality, however, and seen from the opposite side, therefore, this outward movement of the centre towards the periphery is just as much an internal resumption of that which is outward. It is a reminder that it is the notion which exists in and what is expressed. Beginning with the externality in which it is first contained, the progress of the notion is therefore a turning into itself in the centre. That is, the assimilation into subjective unity of being within itself, or what is to the notion the inadequate existence of immediacy or externality. Not so that the notion withdraws from this existence and leaves it as an empty shell, but so that existence as such is immanent within itself, or adequate to the notion, and so that being within itself, which is life, itself exists. The notion wants to break the rind of externality in order to become itself. Life is the notion which has reached its manifestation and stands displayed in its clarity. At the same time, however, it is the most difficult for the understanding to come to terms with, because the understanding finds it easier to grasp whatever is simplest, abstract, and dead.